So Zainab, are you ready for the 25 questions with Bentley's OL leader?
Okay, you're way too early. But I guess over-enthusiastic people have no sense of time. Lucky for you, I'm feeling generous today.
Okay, so let's start. So, what is it like being an OL leader?
It honestly feels like giving back to my second home. My first OL leader was such a rock star. She made moving miles away super easy for me. And that's exactly the same feeling I want my baby fans to feel. It's like paying it forward with more hugs and campus tours.
Wow, that's so sweet, but it's a lot of responsibility as well, right? Like, how is it like with all the responsibility when it comes to like baby falcons?
Honestly, it's more about just being around them than literal hand holding. They're adults, but I just call them my baby facts because I feel super maternal towards them. But no pressure. Everyone needs a nudge or a friend or just someone to pick up the phone and say, "You're not crazy. It's just orientation week."
Oh my god, that's so true. I totally relate.
Oh my god. Oh hey, it's Baby Fat calling. Hi, what's up? You need any help?
Hey, sorry to bother you. Where do we assemble again? I'm kind of lost and freaking out.
No worries, I got you. We're supposed to meet at the green space. It's basically a staircase below the Slade Hall, and there's a huge green garden. That's where you're supposed to meet. Just wear something super comfy, super cute, and super light because I have amazing activities planned out for all you guys. Just bring good vibes, and I promise to you, today's gonna be great. I'll see you in a bit. Like I said, just being a friend, and sometimes a walking GPS too. Where is my laptop? Oh. To reply to some emails. Okay, I have tons and tons of emails to answer to.
You mentioned fun activities, so I want to know what that is. That's so interesting.
Now that's the real question. So many. Let me just look for that. Oh my god. Oh, I've got some exciting plans in mind. Fun but effective. Picture this. Story circles. Everyone sits in a circle. A prop gets passed around, and when it lands on you, it's not a rule to share, but I would definitely encourage every single baby fact to share because it's a great way to connect. Everyone shares a meaningful story, something that was life-changing, something about their family, something about their friends, something personal. Anything. It can be a struggle, it can be funny, it can be downright boring, but it's on you. I think this is great because it's a way to connect with people and sharing a story that maybe you wouldn't share with anyone you met on the first day. It's the first step to breaking ice, and that's exactly what I want to accomplish with this activity. And the reason I'm doing this is because I know that it's very hard to be in an unfamiliar place with like complete strangers, but I think this activity, it sort of brings everyone together and makes you feel like you belong in this place, even though it might have been a couple of days.
That sounds so wholesome, honestly. I really love the ideas. I really feel like I see you.
But do I look okay?
Okay, let me ask you something that now I feel like I want to really know. Does this role, isn't it more, I feel like it's more personal than just a title.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, I'm the go-to friend for all the advice and the one who fixes everything, the one who sits and listens to all of them yap about absolutely everything. But I think that's why being an OL fits me perfectly. Because I like to listen, I like to know more about people. I don't just want to welcome the baby facts, but I also want to inspire them to embrace themselves. Because sometimes the smallest things, such as feeling like you belong here, makes the biggest difference. Okay, now that this isn't a mess, I need to clean up this mess.
Okay, let's go to it. I'm gonna ask you questions still though.
Yep.
So, I'm sure that all of this sounds amazing. Obviously, I mean, amazing, honestly. But isn't university also a lot about academics? I mean, that's why you all are here, right?
Yeah, I mean, yes, academics is important, but Bentley is so much more. It's where ambition meets belonging. And yes, I've grown a lot academically and I've learned so many things from my professors. But It's also about making great memories.
Tell me a little bit about some of your fondest memories, like stuff that's shaped you, fun stuff, anything that you can remember.
I think stepping out of my comfort zone, whether it was volunteering, doing dance workshops, I think it taught me a lot about empathy and adaptability. And of course, performing a Bollywood routine in front of complete strangers. Fun, but it was a leap of courage that was super important in building my confidence.
Wow. Bollywood? So you actually, you're a proper dancer or something?
Yes.
You've spoken a lot about India and where you come from, all of that, and I think it probably a lot reflects about everything that you're doing as an OL leader. So I'm gonna do maybe spice things up and do like an Indian talk show rapid fire. Why would that be something you'd want to do?
Oh yeah, bring it on. While I get ready super fast.
Okay, I'm just gonna sit quickly because I really feel like I'm kind of tired listening to you. So I wanna ask you that how would you comfort a crying baby falcon? Like quickly.
Tissues from my already ready stash. Vulnerability is welcome here. And I don't want my baby falcons to have a runny nose. Speaking from personal experience. But I've had my fair share of tears too, but it always works out in the end. What really matters is asking for help and sitting and just listening to them. Because when you have a lot on your mind, you tend to feel really heavy. And just having someone who you can share and vent about your feelings, maybe fears too, it's just a load off your shoulders. And that's exactly what I want to do. I want to make them feel comfortable, I want to make them feel seen, and most importantly, appreciated.
I wish I had a leader like you, honestly. And now I want a quick answer. The best thing about Bentley's campus.
Einstein's coffee.
Oh.
Can't go a day without it.
That was probably the most rapidest answer that you've ever given, but I get it, coffee.
On a more serious note, it's not about the place, it's about the people.
Looks like you actually rely a lot on coffee.
Of course.
So, okay, talking about reliability, and also I feel like it's a very, very, very important quality. Okay, I'm gonna walk with you. Important quality about, being an OL leader. Like, you gotta rely on your OL leader. So, tell me, what do you rely on?
Myself mostly, but I think Baby Fat Me relied on my OL leader, my friends, my roommate, and my family obviously. The regular video calls kept me grounded. Do you think this will go?
Yeah, but if it was Christmas, and I think Christmas is over.
Alright.
One quality that baby Falk should properly embrace.
I think just be yourself. You're enough as you are, and just show up, have fun, and don't overthink it.
I think I'm gonna take that advice for myself.
You should.
Okay, so one more thing. I have a last question.
1 second. How do I look?
I think that's a lot of improvement. Last question, and I promise it's the last question. At least I think so. So if your baby Falcons were probably watching this video, and I hope they are, then what message would you want to give them? Like very quickly, something that you feel is important.
Hi, welcome to Bentley. I know you're feeling a lot of things and there's a lot on your mind, but you've got this. Together, we've got this. Bentley is gonna feel like home soon, and I can't wait to show you why.
Okay, one last question.
No, gonna run. My baby facts need me. I need to be there. See you soon. Thank you for this.
And there she goes, proving that she's the ultimate OL leader. Here's to Bentley's baby Falcons having the best orientation ever.